I'm there, Sudeep.
I'm also there.
All right. Okay, we take off now.
Yeah, they have come.
All right. Okay.
Vijay, Prashant, Kalbag, everyone, Ritika.
All right.
Let us start now.
Yes. Okay. So, good evening, musical friends, Rotarians, and other musical friends.
Yeah, they have come.
All right.
Vijay,
We're
Prashant,
happy to be able to organize this function. Generally, in our Rotary Club, we start the year with a spiritual speaker. But in this case, because of my passion for music, we thought we'll start with spiritual music instead of spiritual speaker. And music has been the essence since the time immemorial, the life, everybody's life. So music itself is a religion. It is ibadat. Music itself is so by that stretch itself, this is a spiritual meeting, only spiritual, musical rather than spiritual speaker. With this spiritual meeting, we seek blessings for a good year, for a successful year where we can serve community in the best possible way. So we have different forms of religious music, spiritual music. We have bhajans, we have gurbani, we have the azan, and then we have Sufi, and Sufi is also traditionally of intrinsic spiritual nature. We have a very good exponent of Sufi music, Radhika Sood Naik, and we are happy that she's been able to join us today to give us a flair of the Sufi music. Many of us listen to Hindi movie songs of a certain type and think that is Sufi music. But actually that is a distortion of Sufi music. I think now we have somebody who in a pure form will give us the essence of Sufi music. So I would request our member Vijay Mirchandani to introduce our guest and our singer. Vijay.
Yeah. Thank you. We are here today after a long time meeting physically and of course. So it's a great change.
It's a great thing.
And what better than having Radhika Sood Naik with us to give us Sufi song, which was so spiritual. What a start, Sudhir bhai, of your year. A very perfect start. So Sufi, as Sudhir bhai already explained what is Sufi. It has started from mostly it started from Arabic Islamist side, and it's found in this part of the world. Of course, it's traveled all across, and there are Islamers, even in Europe, US, Sufi singing has found its bearing there also.
Today we have two very good exponents of Sufi singing, Radhika Sood Naik, who's with us, and Neil Mukherjee. So about Radhika ji, she discovered her passion for Sufi music through the kalam of Sufi poets Bulleh Shah, Shah Hussain, and Sultan Bahu. Her first performance was at the Mumbai Kabir Festival and then on at Rajasthan Kabir Yatra, Kala Ghoda, Make in India Festival, NCPA's Sama Sufi Music Festival, and most recently at the Mumbai Sanskriti Festival. She released her first single as singer-composer in 2019, and her first music video very recently is 2020, last year that is. And XLRI Jamshedpur alumnus, now that part we'll have to understand after the show. And XLRI Jamshedpur alumnus, Radhika worked with Unilever and ANZ Grinlays before moving on to pursue her quest for music. So here we have Radhika Sood Naik ji. we have a very well-known artist, Neil Mukherjee, on guitar. So Neil Mukherjee is a guitarist par excellence and an award-winning composer. He was part of a popular Kolkata rock band, Crosswinds, in his early years. After mastering the flamenco style, Neil has incorporated Indian music in his existing guitar vocabulary. Neil has worked with stellar Indian composers A.R. Rahman and Shankar Ehsaan Loy, besides playing for scores of advertisement jingles. He is now immersed in producing his independent music, which is available on Spotify and YouTube. So, we are here listening to Neil, and we don't have to pay for A.R. Rahman show and Shankar Ehsaan Loy show. So great hearing him. And it'll be a good jugalbandi of a great singer and a great guitarist and a composer. So, over to you.
Can we start? Thank you very much, Sudhir ji and Lalit ji, for this beautiful opportunity today. Sudhir ji is not here, but remotely. I know a lot of our friends are on Zoom today, and some of you are here face to face. So it's a very beautiful opportunity. And since the pandemic, we've all gone through this pandemic, this opportunity becomes that much more precious, because we all realize the value of personal interactions now more than ever. So very grateful to Rotary Seacoast for this opportunity. And what we've put together today, it's called Sufi music, but what we put together is a bouquet of poets that we've all grown up hearing. They're part of our DNA. Kabir, Mirabai, Bulle Shah, Amir Khusro. We've all grown up listening to their poetry. And I think that this experience that we've all gone through in the last 15 months, somewhere it has taken us inwards. And we have realized the value of life and of all the life's little joys in the last 15 months. And the poetry today is actually reminding us again about what really counts. For instance, the first song that we are starting with today is by Kabir. Kabir says in this, now in the first few songs today, there is a mention of Pia. Now, Pia is the beloved, the divine. So here Kabir says, Ghoonghat ke pat khol, tohe Pia milenge. So it's about, lifting the veil of illusion of Maya and then being able to realize the divine. फिर आगे कहते हैं कि धन जो बन पर गर्भ ना कीजे, झूठा पचरंग चोल, ये जो 5 रंग का चोला पहनना है, ये जो शरीर है, उस पे इतना गर्भ मत कर. And then he goes on to saying that जोग जुगत सो रंग महल में पिया पायो अनमोल. With yog and yukti, jog and jugat, these are the techniques that you can realize the divine with. And you can be filled with bliss to the extent that, drums of bliss are ringing in your inside. So that's our first offering for the evening. Ghoonghat ke pat khol. के पट खोल रे, तो है पिया मिलेंगे, घूंघट के पट खोल। घट घट में वो साई रमता, घट घट में वो साई रमता, कटुक वचन मत बोल रे, तो है पिया मिलेंगे, घूंघट के पट खोल रे, तो है पिया मिलेंगे, घूंघट के पट खोल। धन जो बन को घर बना कीजे, धन जो बन को गर्भ न कीजे, झूठा पचरंग चोलू रे, शून्य महल में दीवला बार ले, शून्य महल में दीवला बार ले, आसन से मत डोल, मत डोल, मत डोल रे, तो है पिया मिलेंगे, घूंघट के पट खोल रे, तो है पिया मिलेंगे, घूंघट के पट खोल। जोग जुगत सो रंग महल में, पिया पायो अनमोल रे, जोग जुगत सो रंग महल में, पिया पायो अनमोल रे, कहत कबीर, कहत कबीर आनंद भयो है, कहत कबीर आनंद भयो है, बाजत अनहद ढोल रे, तो है पिया मिलेंगे, घूंघट के पट खोल रे, तो है पिया मिलेंगे, घूंघट के पट खोल। घट घट में वो साई रमता, घट घट में वो साई रमता, कटुक वचन मत बोल रे, तो है पिया मिलेंगे, घूंघट के पट खोल रे, तो है पिया मिलेंगे, तो है पिया मिलेंगे, तो है पिया मिलेंगे। Thank you very much. It's so beautiful to hear the sound of claps. We realize. I know. Yes, absolutely. Yeah, but I'm really grateful to a lot of our friends. I'm sure your friends are here on Zoom today, our family members. So thank you for joining us. We'll move to
So,
the
so Radhika, today we
by
also we have
another very, very deep poet, Mirabai. Now, Mirabai had her own andaz of calling out to her Pia, who was Krishna. So in this particular song, it's about, she says, Piya ji, mhare naina aage rehjo ji. So she is asking the divine to never, she doesn't want to lose sight of the divine ever, which was Krishna.
no, it's okay. I'm done.
And in this particular bhajan, she talks about her life experiences, which one of the most prominent being that Rana ji sends her wish ka pyala, and she asks Piya ji to make it into Imrit. So that is also woven into this pad. And of course, her devotion, her surrender is what makes her poetry so relatable, and we connect with it instantly. So the next one is Piya ji mhare naina aage rehjo ji.
Can you hear me? Lalit, can you hear me? They can't hear. They're mute.
पिया जी म्हारे नैना म्हारे नैना म्हारे नैना गेरे जी पिया जी म्हारे नैना गेरे जो जी पिया जी म्हारे नैना गेरे जो जी नैना आगे रह जो भाणे नैना आगे रह जो माणे भूल मत मोहे जाजो जी भूल मत मोहे जाजो जी पिया जी म्हारे नैना के रही जो जी भव सागर में बही जात हो भव सागर में बही भव सागर में बही जात हो बेग म्हारी सुधा बेग म्हारी सुधा ले जो जी पिया जी म्हारे नैना के गई जो जी पिया जी म्हारे नैना म्हारे नैना म्हारे नैना गे रही जो जी जी मारे नैना गिरे जो जी, पिया जी मारे नैना गिरे जो जी। मीरा के प्रभु, मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, मीरा 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 के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, मिल के बिछड़ मत जाजो जी, पिया जी मारे नैना गिरे जो जी, पिया जी मारे नैना गिरे जो जी। नैना आगे मोहे रहने दे, नैना आगे रह जो माणे, भूल मत मोहे जाजो जी, पिया जी मारे नैना गिरे जो जी, पिया जी मारे नैना, पिया जी मारे नैना, पिया जी मारे नैना गिरे जो जी। Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. इसमें भी पिया का ही जिक्र है, बट अपने अंदाज में. So here the piya is जो the seeker is saying tonight is the night of union with my piya, with my beloved, with my murshid, with the divine. And there is a ghadiali there who's keeping time. So she says this ghadiali who's keeping time should go away. Ghadiali deo nikalani, mera piya ghar aaya o lalani. पिया घर आया मैनू अल्लाह मिलाया, हुण होया फजले कमालनी. मतलब my पिया is equivalent to the divine coming into my home. So it's a beautiful occasion, and I want this ghadiali to go away. And then she creates this whole scene about what is it doing to her. She says, I can hear anhad baja, I can hear taan tarana, and it feels as if my murshid is intoxicating me. She says, mad pyale devan kalalani. I feel that the mad is being served by my murshid. That's the kind of experience I have tonight in this night of union. This is Baba Bulle Shah's. And then she says, घड़ी घड़ी घड़ियाल बजावे रैन वसल दी पिया घटावे. ये जो घड़ी घड़ी घड़ियाल जो बजाता है, तो वसल की जो रैन है, this night of union, it seems like it's going away, it's slipping away. मेरे मन दी बात जे पावे हथों जा सुट्टे घड़ियालनी. If he could read my mind, he should just throw the ghadial and go away. And finally, Bulle Shah says, Bulle Shah di sage pyari. Now, this is the scene that the poet creates of a sage.
And Shaw is the Shauhar, the beloved. And she says that I have set the sage, I have set this marital bed for him, for the divine. And किवें किवें मेरी आई वारी, अब कितने अरसे बाद मेरी बारी आई है, when the पिया has come into my abode. हुण होया विछड़न मुहालनी, अब बिछड़ना बहुत मुश्किल है, घड़ियाली देओ निकालनी, मेरा पिया घर आया ओ लालनी. पिया घर आया ओ लालनी, घड़ियाली दे ओ निकालनी, घड़ियाली दे ओ निकालनी, अज पिया घर आया ओ लालनी, मेरा पिया घर आया ओ लालनी. पिया घर आया ओ लालनी, मेरा पिया घर आया ओ लालनी. घड़ी घड़ी घड़ियाल बजावे, घड़ी घड़ी घड़ियाल बजावे, घड़ी 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 घड़ियाल बजावे, रैन वसल दी पिया घटावे, मेरे मन दी बात जपावे, मेरे मन दी पावे, हथों जा सुटे घड़ियालनी, अज पिया घर आया ओ लालनी, मेरा पिया घर आया ओ लालनी. घड़ियाली दे ओ निकालनी, घड़ियाली दे ओ निकालनी, अज पिया घर आया ओ लालनी, मेरा पिया घर आया अनहद बाजा अनहद बाजा अनहद बाजा बजे सुहाना मुतरब सुघड़ा तान तराना अनहद बाजा बजे सुहाना मुतरब सुघड़ा तान तराना भूल गया मैं नमाज दो गाना भूल गया भूल गया मैं नमाज दो गाना मद प्याले देवण कलालनी अज पिया घर आया ओ लालनी मेरा पिया घर आया ओ लालनी पिया 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 बुल्ले शादी सेज प्यारी बुल्ले शादी सेज प्यारी बुल्ले शादी सेज प्यारी नीम तारन हारे तारी किवे 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 मेरी आई वारी किवे किवे मेरी आई वारी हुण होया बिछड़न मुहालनी मेरा पिया घर आया ओ लालनी आज पिया घर आया ओ लालनी घड़ियाली दे ओ निकालनी घड़ियाली दे ओ निकालनी मेरा पिया घर आया ओ लालनी मेरा पिया घर आया अज पिया घर आया मेरा पिया घर आया अज पिया घर आया ओ
वाह 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 वाह, आपने तो क्या समा बांध दिया, मजा आ गया राधिका जी. You have been, you've just given us such a soulful and a divine evening to all of us. But I wanted to acknowledge all the guests who are here through Zoom and all the guests present at the club over here watching this show live. Thank you very much for coming. I hope you all are enjoying this show. जितना हमको मजा आ रहा है ये प्रस्तुत करने में, शायद उतना ही मजा आप लोग को आ रहा होगा. माफी चाहता हूं कि मैंने आप लोग को म्यूट रखा हुआ है, ना तो आप तालियां बजा सकते हो ना कुछ बोल सकते हो, लेकिन ये शो ही ऐसा है कि हमें इत्मीनान से ये सुनना पड़ेगा. So let's have patience, quietly listen and get totally mesmerized with this music. I would like to acknowledge one thing, that Bombay Sea Coast is a club of music lovers. We have a club within a club called Singers of Sea Coast. Vijay Bhai, who had just started the Compare in the beginning, he sort of is a leader for us, along with his wife Neeta, who's always doing some amazing job in comparing. I would like to acknowledge Vipin Bhai Reshamia ji, who's a music doyen, and he's also amongst the audience in Zoom today. Welcome, Vipin ji. Your blessings are always required by the club. So without interrupting further, let the music go on. Thank you.
So we have a very, a very sensitized audience. Yeah. So our next offering is again a very known poet, and we've all heard his poetry. This one is called Chhap Tilak Sab Chheeni Mose Naina Milai Ke. So again, the whole theme of Piya different poets have addressed the Pia differently. Now, Amir Khusro has his own andaz when he says these words. I think the first thing is that, you know, the seeker is portrayed as a feminine. The feminine is the seeker, and the murshid, the guru, the divine, the source, and the longing is to become one with the source. So यहाँ पे वो कहते हैं कि with just one glance of yours, you have stripped me of my external identity. All the things that I externally identify with, all my embellishments, my chap and my tilak, all that has become meaningless just with that one glance. So my ego, I have shed my ego, because all these things are attached with ego. And then, of course, the rest of the lyrics are very, they're simple. They are in the language that we all know. But yeah, I think the whole flavor of this kalam is surrender. And that moment of surrender when, you know, you shed all your physical boundaries and all that you associate yourself with physically. I just want to say one more thing, sorry, Neil, that Khusro had a very intense relationship with his Murshid Nizamuddin Aulia. So उनकी पोइट्री में खुसरो निजाम के बल बल जाइए, मैं आप पे बलिहारी जाती हूँ. So you will often hear this phrase in Khusro's poetry. छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुसनैना मिलाई के, छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुसनैना सैया ने मुसनैना बलमा ने मुसनैना नैना नैना मुसनैना मिलाई के, छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुसनैना मिलाई के, मुसनैना 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 हो नैना 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 मुसनैना मिलाई के, बात अगम कह दी रे मुसनैना मिलाई के, छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुसनैना मिलाई के। प्रेम भटी का मदवा पिलाए के, प्रेम भटी
पतवारी कर दी नीरे मुझसे नैना मिलाए के नैना में आए के सेना जलाए के छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुझसे नैना मिलाए के हरी हरी चूड़िया गोरी गोरी बैया हरी हरी चूड़िया गोरी गोरी बैया जी गोरी गोरी बैया हरी हरी चूड़िया गोरी गोरी बैया बाह पकड़ हो बाह पकड़ हो बाह पकड़ हर लीनी रे मुझसे नैना मिलाए के बाह पकड़ हर लीनी रे मुझसे नैना मिलाए के बल बल जाऊं बल बल जाऊं बल बल जाऊं मैं बल बल जाऊं जी बल बल जाऊं बल बल जाऊं मैं तोरे रंग रे जवा बल बल जाऊं मैं बल बल जाऊं मैं बल बल जाऊं मैं तोरे रंग रे जवा तोरे रंग रे जवा बल बल जाऊं मैं तोरे रंग रे जवा अपनी सी हो अपनी सी हो अपनी सी रंग दीनी रे मुझसे नैना मिलाए के अपनी सी रंग देनी रे मुझसे नैना सैया ने मुझसे नैना बलमा ने मुझसे नैना 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 मुझसे नैना मिलाए के छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुझसे नैना मिलाए के खुसरो ने जा खुसरो ने जाम के बल बल जइए जी बल बल जइए जी बल बल जइए खुसरो ने जाम के बल बल जइए खुसरो ने जाम के बल बल जइए जी बल बल जइए बल बल जइए बल बल जइए मोहे सुहागन की नीरे मुझसे नैना मिलाई के मोहे सुहागन की नीरे मुझसे नैना मिलाई के छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुझसे नैना मिलाई के नैना में आई के नैना मिलाई के मुझसे नैना मुझसे नैना मुझसे नैना हो नैना हो नैना 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 मुझसे नैना मिलाए के नैना मिलाए के नैना
Zarur, please.
Divine.
Yeah, I think this Sufi poetry was the liberal, you know, the liberal expression of the Islamic, you know, जो भी हमारे religious texts में जो लिखा है, उससे एक अलग view. Basically, I think the way I understand Sufi poetry is that it was a direct connection with the divine. The Sufis rejected any intermediaries. They said, beach mein jo the priests and the mullahs that come in, they rejected that, and they said, why don't we have a direct, we have a direct relationship with the divine. We have come from that source. So I think that was this expression was more to assert that. That's how I understand
Correct.
the poetry that we sing. So the next kalam is actually very special kafi, because we recently brought it out, and it's my composition and Neil's music in that, sorry. So we'd like to present it here today. It's by another poet, 16th century Sufi poet called Shah Hussain. And Shah Hussain addresses the Pia as Jind. In Punjabi, you often say Jind Jaan. So he says, Sun Jindni. And he says, Ik araj nimaniya di, sun Jindni. Now, Nimana is a very beautiful word that you find in this language. It means the one who has no pride, the one without man, who is beyond man and apman, no ego. So Shah Hussain in his poetry often signed off as Fakir Saida or Fakir Nimana. So this is Kafi by him. And of course, the whole description is about life. As we started today's session, Kabir gives us some life lessons through his poetry, Hungat ke Pat Khol. Then Shah Hussain brings in his flavor, and he says, Ik araj nimane adi sun jindni. Listen to the plea of the lowly. What am I asking? I'm saying Surat ka tana, Nirat ka bana. Now he was a weaver by profession. तो वो ताना और बाना की जो बात है, जो कबीर की पोएट्री में भी बहुत आती है, Shah Hussain also writes in that लहजा. तो यहाँ कहते हैं कि Surat means consciousness. Nirat is action. He says, give me a blend, give me a weave of Surat and Nirat, not Surat alone. So let my Nirat, let my actions be guided by my consciousness, right? So he says, grant me that. Then he says, काहे गर्भ ही देख जवानी तै जइया कैया खान खवानी. और कबीर भी यही कह रहे हैं, धन जोबन पर गर्भ ना कीजिए. यहाँ शाह हुसैन कहते हैं, काहे गर्भ ही देख जवानी, तेरे जैसी तो बहुत हैं, कई हैं. काल लैया सब चुन जिंदनी. He says, काल सबको चुन लेगा. Death will not spare any of us. Never mind our beauty, never mind our wealth. And that's something that we all experienced during the pandemic, really face to face. So I think all that was written so many centuries back is coming alive for us. Like, so this is, and in the final verse, he says that, Kahe Hussain Fakir Gadai. Gadai is a beggar, a mendicant. He calls himself a beggar. He says, Kahe Hussain Fakir Gadai. Shah nu milani hai hun jindni. Now I'm waiting to unite with the Shah. The Shauhar. And I want to give up this body, all my material acquisitions, pachi puni deh lutai. All that I have acquired, this deh and all my material things I want to give up. And finally, that moment of union with the divine. So this is a very beautiful kafi, which we'd like to present this evening. This is in Punjabi. Yeah. But actually, this was more Saraiki language, which was a confluence of different dialects. But yeah, largely Punjabi.
Can you read that?
Let's listen. This is Shah's. Kya Shah? Hussain.
सुन जिंदनी सुन जिंदनी एक अरज निमाने आदि ਨਿਮਾਣਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਸੁਣ ਜਿੰਦਨੀ ਸੁਣ ਜਿੰਦਨੀ ਸੁਰਤ ਦਾ ਤਾਣਾ ਨਿਰਤ ਦਾ ਬਾਣਾ ਸੁਰਤ ਦਾ ਤਾਣਾ ਨਿਰਤ ਦਾ ਬਾਣਾ ਹਰ ਹਰ ਬੇਟਾ ਵੁਣ ਜਿੰਦਨੀ ਵੁਣ ਜਿੰਦਨੀ ਹਰ ਹਰ ਬੇਟਾ ਵੁਣ ਜਿੰਦਨੀ ਸੁਣ ਜਿੰਦਨੀ ਸੁਣ ਜਿੰਦਨੀ काहे को झुलते काहे झक मारे काहे को झुलते काहे झक मारे राम भजन बिन बाजी हारे काहे को झुलते काहे झक मारे राम भजन बिन बाजी हारे बीज आही सो लुण जिंदनी लुण जिंदनी बीज आही सो लुण जिंदनी सुन जिंदनी सुन जिंदनी एक अरज निमाणिया दी सुन जिंदनी सुन जिंदनी काहे गरबही देख जवानी ते जैया कैया खान खवानी काहे गरबही देख जवानी ते जैया कैया खान खवानी काल लैया सब चुन जिंदनी चुन जिंदनी काल लैया सब चुन जिंदनी सुन जिंदनी सुन जिंदनी कहे हुसैन कहे हुसैन फकीर गदाई कहे हुसैन कहे हुसैन फकीर गदाई बच्ची पूरी देह लुटाई कहे हुसैन फकीर गदाई बच्ची पूरी देह लुटाई शाहनु मिलनी हुण जिंदनी हुण जिंदनी शाहनु मिलनी हुण जिंदनी सुन जिंदनी सुन जिंदनी एक अरज निमाणिया दी सुन जिंदनी सुन जिंदनी सुन जिंदनी सुन जिंदनी सुन जिंदनी सुन जिंदनी Thank you so much. Thank you. We have time for one more? Yeah. Okay, great, great. So this next one is by Baba Bulle Shah. But here, this actually Punjabi Sufi is not complete without the mention of Heer and Ranjha. Right, unless you bring their story in. I mean, many poets have brought their story in to their poetry, because Heer and Ranjha were star-crossed lovers. Now they were in love, but they could never unite in the worldly way. And Heer's father married her off to another man, and Ranjha became a jogi. So much of poetry is written around that, because the separation between these two lovers actually is a metaphor for the separation between the soul and the source. आत्मा और परमात्मा का जो तड़प है एक होने की, वही हीर और रांझा की कहानी से भी बहुत शायरों ने जाहिर की है. तो इसमें बुल्ले शाह अपने अंदाज में कहते हैं, हाजी लोग मक्के वाले जांदे, हीर की जबान से कह रहे हैं कि लोग हज करने जाते हैं तो हाजी कहलाते हैं उनको. भले ही लोग हज पे जाएं और उन्हें हाजी कहें, मेरे लिए तो मेरा रांझा ही मेरा मक्का है. नी मैं कमलियां, she says I'm crazy. And she says, now my Babul is trying to marry me off to another man. But for me, Ranjha is mine and I'm his. So that's the flavor of this kafi. But it has very interesting elements before and after. Now the element before is a little sawal jawab about Lahore. So the poet asks, how many doors and windows are there in Lahore? How many bricks are there which are broken? How many are sabut? How many wells have sweet water and how many have salty water? And how many women in Lahore are married and how many are single? And the poet responds to all these questions with just one word: the beloved, the mashuk, the ashik. He says the bricks on which the mashuk has stepped are broken, the rest lie as they were. The wells from which the beloved, the ashik, has drunk water, those have sweet water, the rest are khara. And the women who have their beloved, their sajan by their side are married, the rest are single. So there's a beautiful introduction to this poetry. And of course, there's one verse, I'll take one verse today, which is about, again, Bulle Shah's, very classic way of hitting hard in his own way. And here he uses the metaphor of dogs. He says, look at the dogs. They are so loyal to their master. So he's essentially reminding us to surrender. And he uses the example of dogs. He says, Malik da dar mool na chhad de, paame pende 100 jutte, tethi utte. तेरे से ऊंचे हो जाएंगे कुत्ते, क्योंकि वो अपने मालिक का दर कभी नहीं छोड़ते, भले उनको 100 जूते पड़े. तो इतने लॉयल होते हैं. So he's saying, learn to surrender to your master. उठ बुल्लेया तू भी यार मना ले, नहीं ता बाजी ले गए कुत्ते, तेथी उत्ते. So that's the verse we have embedded in this kafi. So here is मैं कमलियां. दस खां शहर लाहौर अंदर, दाल 10 खां शहर लाहौर अंदर, बई किन्ने बूहे ते किन्नियां बारियां ने, नाले 10 खां उथों दियां इट्टां, किन्नियां टुट्टियां ते किन्नियां सारियां ने. दाल 10 खां शहर लाहौर अंदर, खूइयां किन्नियां मिठियां ते किन्नियां खारियां ने. जरा सोच के देवी जवाब मैनू, उथे किन्नियां व्याहियां ते किन्नियां कंवारियां ने. जवाब दस रही हैं. दाल दसा मैं शहर लाहौर अंदर बई लखा बूहे ते लखा बारियां ने जिन्ना इट्टां ते तर गए पैर आशिक उइयों टुट्टियां ते बाकी सारियां ने जिन्ना खुइयां तो पी गए माशूक पानी उइयों मिठियां ते बाकी खारियां ने बहंदियां जेड़ियां नाल अपने सजना दे उइयों व्याहियां ते बाकी कंवारियां ने हाजी लोक मक्के वल जांदे हाजी लोक मक्के वल जांदे मेरा रांझा मेरा मक्का नी मैं कमलियां हाजी लोक मक्के वल जांदे मेरा रांझा मेरा मक्का नी मैं कमलियां 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 मैं तां मंग रांझण दी होइयां मैं तां मंग रांझण दी होइयां मेरा बाबुल करदा है तक्का नी मैं कमलियां 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 बुल्लेआ बुल्लेआ वे तू राती जागे भक्त कुहावे बई राती जागण कुत्ते तैथी उत्ते बुल्लेआ तू राती जागे भक्त कुहावे बई राती जागण कुत्ते तैथी उत्ते सारी रात ओ पैरा देंदे सारी रात ओ पैरा देंदे दिने रुड़े जा सुत्ते तैथी उत्ते मालिक दा दर मूल न छड़ दे मालिक दा दर मूल न छड़ दे भावें पैंदे 100 जुत्ते तैथी उत्ते उठ बुल्लेआ उठ बुल्लेआ उठ बुल्लेआ तू भी यार मना ले उठ बुल्लेआ तू भी पीर मना ले नहीं ता बाजी ले गए कुत्ते तैथी उत्ते नी मैं कमलियां हाजी लोक मक्के वल जांदे साडे दिल विच नौशो मक्का नी मैं कमलियां विचे हाजी विचे गाजी विचे हाजी विचे गाजी विचे चोर उचक्का नी मैं कमलियां 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 नी मैं कमलियां
Too good.
No doubt. Every language in its pure form.
gratitude to for the India beautiful evening.
Yeah.
Participate. Yeah, no, participate.
Actually, this transcends gender in many ways. It's beyond gender, it's beyond religion and all of that. But I think the man and the woman complete each other. So the seeker dons the garb of the feminine, and the guru is the masculine. So they both come together. It's not shown as one above the other. It's I think the entire poetry is about a very equal relationship with the divine, and that's why all the intermediaries were rejected. That when I have a direct connect, why should I need somebody else to tell me about the divine? So that's the expression. Yes, largely. Yeah. The seeker is shown as male. Absolutely. Yes. Like I said, it's the feminine voice which has the plea, which has the, there is some sort of a pukar in a feminine voice, which the poets adopted. I think that's the reason. I don't know what is the right answer to this. This is my understanding. No, she's asking why, but of course we followed this, so she wants to know why. Yeah, sure. I'm so sorry for all our listeners on Zoom. We got into some sort of a discussion, but we'll come back to our last song for the evening. It's again, actually, this is an amalgamation of many, dohras. Like we know Kabir ke dohe, these are dohras in Punjabi. And so this one is, it starts with Bulle Shah's Dohra, which is a very iconic Dohra of his. And I think it's a fitting finale to this evening, because here he talks about an equal world. And what we've experienced in the last 15 months has somewhere reminded us that we are all equal in many ways, and like the pandemic didn't spare anyone. So in that sense, this is a poet saying this in the 17th century. Chal bulleya chal othe chaliye jithe sare anne. Bulleya, let us go to a land where everyone is blind. Na koi saadi zaat pichhane, na koi sanu manne. So nobody should discriminate against us basis our caste, and nobody should put us on a pedestal either. Sare ek jaise hain, na koi uncha hai, na koi neecha hai. And of course, there are several others that we have sort of amalgamated in this. And one of them is very beautiful. Bulleya ashik hoyo rabda, hoi malamat lak. Now he says, ever since you like malamat, actually the Sufis faced this, what should I say, a rejection from society, because they rejected organized religion and they carved their own path. Now, obviously that didn't go down well with the society of those times, and perhaps even today, right? So here he says, Bulleya jab se aashik hua hai Rab ka, teri bahut malamat hui hai. You have invited much disgrace. Tenu kafir kende, tu aho aak. People may call you an infidel. All you have to do is nod your head and continue on your path. So that's the kind of statement they made back then. And they were also surrounded by religious dogmas and fundamentalism and all sorts of other restrictions. So here is the last offering of the evening. Of course, we've added one Kabir Doha also, which you'll all recognize. Re re sa ga re sa ni re sa ni da dha ni re 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 sa चल चल बुल्लिया चले होते चलिए 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 चल बुल्लिया चले होते चलिए जिथे सारे अन्ने चल बुल्लिया चले होते चलिए जिथे सारे अन्ने ना कोई साड़ी जात पछाणे ना कोई साड़ी जात पछाणे ना कोई सानू मन्ने चले होते चलिए चले होते चलिए चले होते चलिए पोथी पढ़ पढ़ जग मुआ पोथी पढ़ पढ़ जग मुआ पोथी पढ़ पढ़ जग मुआ पढ़े न पंडित हो पोथी पढ़ पढ़ जग मुआ पढ़े न पंडित हो ढाई आखर प्रेम के ढाई आखर प्रेम के पढ़े सो पंडित हो चले होते चलिए चले होते चलिए चले होते चलिए चल चल बुल्लिया चले होते चलिए बुल्ले आशिक होयो रब दा बुल्ले आशिक होयो रब दा बुल्ले आशिक होयो रब दा होई मलामत लाख बुल्ले आशिक होयो रब दा होई मलामत लाख तैनू काफिर काफिर कहंदे तैनू काफिर काफिर कहंदे तैनू काफिर काफिर कहंदे तू आहो आहो आ चले होते चलिए चले होते चलिए चले होते चलिए चल चल बुल्लिया चले होते चलिए चल बुल्लिया चले होते चलिए जिथे सारे अन्ने चल बुल्लिया चले होते चलिए जिथे सारे अन्ने ना कोई साड़ी जात पछाणे ना कोई साड़ी जात पछाणे ना कोई सानू मन्ने चले होते चलिए चले होते चलिए चले होते चलिए चले होते चलिए चले होते चलिए
That was excellent. बहुत ही मजा आ गया बहुत ही सुहानी शाम थी Thank you very much. I think the audience here who's come to the club is giving a standing ovation to her. Now let me request our Rotarian Daksha ji to come and give a vote of thanks.
Friends, as per our club tradition, we have started our Rotary year on an auspicious note with the very first program being an ode to the great Kalams of sense, from whom the contemporary society was benefited. It was indeed a pleasure listening to you, Radhika ji, and even Neil ji. Your mesmerizing voice in this troubled time. Such poems and such kalams has provided us much needed relief. On behalf of the Rotary Club of Bombay Sea Coast, I thank you, Radhika ji and Neil ji. You really gave voice and soul to our feelings, which we all must accept. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Daksha ji. Now I'll request our President Rotarian Sudhir ji to give a closing remark.
Lalit, you have to make secretarial announcements.
Skip
Can you hear me?
Call him up.
Sudhirji, please carry on. Please carry on.
Can you hear me?
Yes, please carry on. Let's have a closing remark.
Okay, so it was lovely. It was great music and soulful rendering and very meaningful lyrics, because of course the whole purpose of Sufism and Sufiana singing is, as Radhika said, to connect with the divine, direct connection. And I think it was very well expressed, and she has a lovely voice. It gives us great pleasure that we had her here, and I think we are very grateful that she could make it, and we are very thankful. I personally feel that I think I got more than what I expected. So it was just a beautiful evening. Yeah, great. Lalit, would you like to make secretarial remarks?
No, I have not.
For the
So let's,
meeting? Okay.
we can adjourn the meeting.
Okay. So I adjourn the meeting.
Thank you, Radhika.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, everybody.